Hey everybody, welcome to today's vlog. I just received my FabFitFun box. It is not open yet, so I thought I'd start the video by opening it with you guys and showing you what I got. So I'm really excited, of course, because these are always like the best thing ever to get. And I just want to show you guys the print on the packaging. Like, look how stinking cute that is. I love the butterflies. I'm definitely going to be saving this box and reusing it. So as always, it comes with a little magazine, some Hello Fresh coupons. Ooh, coupon for Bite. Look how cute. It has a little butterfly sticker. Okie dokie. I don't know if you guys can see this. Okay. So first thing is this necklace, which looks really cute. The brand is called Amber Seats. Amber Seats. So it's kind of like a double necklace. This seems to be like the style. It's a coin necklace. So it's gold. It looks really, really cute. I cannot wait to wear this. Let's see. Next thing is body oil. Hi. Hello, Lush. So the brand is Marianella. And it says rosewood and Litsi Kubeba with mongogo and pomegranate oil. Probably pronounced that all wrong, but this looks really, really cute. Okay, sorry. On to the next side. This is for your hair, which I always love getting stuff for my hair. The brand is AG Hair Care Fast Food. Never heard of this brand, but it is a leave-in conditioner. Next is a deep sleep body cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. So it's a lotion. I don't know if this is like for your face or for your body. Oh, okay. Massage nightly into hands and body and breathe. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk. Can't really tell what it smells like because it has the little sealy thingy on it, but I am always in need of lotion. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this. Silicone straws. Oh man. If you guys saw my Amazon favorites video, you know that I'm obsessed with straws. Oh my gosh, look, it's a little holder, so like you could throw in your purse. I definitely need one of these because half the time I have just like a random reusable straw in there floating around. Babe, look. I'll show you all the stuff I get later. But this is really, really cute. It comes with 4 different colors, and then it comes with a little cleaner. So in case you're interested, the brand in this is called Chic and Tonic, or Chicken Tonic. Don't know. Ooh, the brand of this is called Peerless. And it's a watermelon energizing 2-minute polishing peel for your face. Hi, puppies. Hi. What did you do? You little stinky thing. Look. Ooh, so this looks so cute. The packaging looks adorable. I'm gonna try this out tonight for show. Oh my gosh, I feel like so much steam in this box. And as always, it comes with this confetti, which is honestly kind of annoying because it gets everywhere. Ooh, look! Packing cubes. I've always wanted these. So, packing cubes. The brand is called Calpac. And it comes with, how many different sizes is this? It looks like 3. Oh, here, 3-piece set. So a large, a medium, and a small. These look so stinking cute. I guess I'll just open this really quick and show you. Wow, these are big. Or at least this one is big. Okay. Oh man. Wow. This almost looks like a laptop case. I'm sure you could use it as that. So I have like a cute little pocket here. And then it looks like there's, oh yeah, there's like 2 packs in here. This would actually be really good for like my workout bag. Maybe not, I don't know. Ooh, and then there's like a little name tag you put, so that's so cute. Okay. I am so stinking excited about this because I love like cardigans and sweaters and just like comfy clothes. So this is the brand Donnie. Oh my gosh, this looks so adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay, I want to like try this on for you guys really quick, but I'm wearing my pajamas, so it's probably gonna look kind of, so don't mind my bathroom because it's a mess and I'm in my pajamas, but I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. I have like 2 appointments that I have to go to tomorrow, and it's supposed to be like cloudy and rainy, so this will be so cute and cozy to wear. But I love this color. It's kind of like a gray oatmeal color, and it just is so stinking cozy, and this is totally my style because if you guys know me, you know that I'm just so plain Jane and just like cute, simple, cozy things like this. So I'll show you guys really quick all the stuff that came in the box. Actually, like came with a lot. So yep, all of this stuff. I am really happy with all of it. Usually there's like one thing in the box that I'm just like, yeah, not that excited about, but I'm excited about everything in here. He's eating some blueberries just to keep him occupied, but I'm gonna be making some baby food. I use the baby bullet, it works so well. But basically I just have some apples, raspberries, and blackberries. I'm gonna be putting this thing of applesauce in there just to kind of liquefy it. And then I'm gonna put a couple spoonsful of the oats and quinoa baby cereal, and we'll see how it comes out. All right, so this is what it looks like. It is pretty thick, which is good. That's how I wanted it. I used to always put like juice or, oh, sorry. I used to always put like juice or water, and it would be too liquidy like a smoothie. So now I just put applesauce instead, and it comes out so good. So he's gonna love it. So I just got home and I stopped at Lush on my way home. I got 2 bath bombs. This one, oh my gosh, I don't remember what it's called. Let me see if it says on the receipt. Oh, okay, Groovy Kind of Love. And it's a special edition, and it's like a Valentine's one. It smells like the little Valentine's candy hearts. It smells so amazing. And then the other one that I got is called Bubble, shoot, what is it called? The Comforter Bubble Bath. Something like that. Oh my gosh. So it looks like this, and it smells so good. It smells just like bubble gum. And if you know me, you know I love anything smelling like bubble gum or cotton candy. And then I got a sample. This is the mask of Magnum-Minty, and she said it's like a clay mask, so it just like pulls out all your impurities and blackheads and stuff like that. So I got a sample of that, and I cannot wait to try. There we go. That's what it's gonna look like so far. Whew. Okay, so yeah, it smells so good though. Have it on my finger. All right, so I'm just putting some stuff away that I got at Trader Joe's. I didn't really get too much stuff, but I just wanted to share what I got. I got some mini plain bagels along with the whipped cream cheese. Then I got this cute plant. It's a propagating plant. It's I'm not even gonna try and say that. I got some vanilla non-fat yogurt. I got this tiny cute little succulent for my office at work because I don't have any plants and I just need some greenery in there. I got some little mini potatoes, and then I got some blueberry lavender almond milk. If you have not tried this and you are a lavender fan, you need to get this. Every time I go to Trader Joe's, this is like a must. So you guys might be judging me, but I am wearing Crocs, and yes, I am wearing them with socks. They're just like the most comfiest shoes, and instead of like wearing sandals, I just like slip these on, and they're, I don't know, a little warmer, probably not much, but I just wear them with socks like if I'm going to the grocery store or just to like run an errand really quick. I'll show you how ridiculous I look right now. Yeah, I don't know why my flash is on, but I'm just wearing like this Sherpa leggings and my Crocs. I have to go pick up Beckham. He's at my aunt's now, and I don't feel like putting on tennis shoes, so I'm just wearing these, and they're actually so comfy. I got these when I was pregnant because no other shoes fit me, and I just love them. I don't care what anyone thinks. I'm just getting to my dentist appointment, running a little late. Today is kind of a crazy morning, actually. I was filming a video like on how I style my hair, so be on the lookout for that if you're interested. It's just kind of like a easy, quick way to style my hair, and if you have wavy hair or curly hair, you might be interested. But I am starving. I am so hungry. I didn't eat this morning because I was running late, and instead of like grabbing something really quick out the door, I didn't because I'm on my way to the dentist and I wanted my teeth to be like as clean as possible before they clean them. I don't know why, I'm just always so paranoid, and so I like floss them, brush them like 100 times before I go, because I don't know, if I worked as a hygienist or a dental assistant, I would not want to like go to clean someone's teeth and then them have like all kinds of food and gunk, and yeah, sorry if that grossed you out. But my dentist is actually like a good 30-45 minutes away from where I live. So after I get out of the dentist, I'm gonna go and get something to eat and get some coffee, and then hopefully get my nails done. I still have them from like 2 or 3 weeks ago. They've actually lasted pretty long, and they're red, and I really like them, but I'm just kind of over it. So anyway, we'll see you guys in a bit. I'm just leaving my dentist appointment. It's raining so hard right now, and my windshield wipers aren't working that great, so I'm kind of freaking out. But my hair is officially dry, so I'll kind of show you guys. So it is like still really curly, but it's kind of more of like a beachy curl. And then like I said, just by kind of doing the hair around your face kind of makes it look like you meant to do it that way. But I'm on my way to get my nails done. I don't know what color to get. I kind of want to get like a bright orange because I'm kind of liking the like red vibes. But then again, I want something that's like more neutral, like a light pink, the color that I always go to. Like whenever I cannot think of what color to get, I always go to that color. But I just want to say how crazy it is out there, and it's honestly pretty scary. I know some people aren't worried at all. Some people are just like, it's no big deal, like, but obviously it is a big deal. It's all over social media, everyone's talking about it, it's on everyone's crazy. My brother just like put up a picture, like a screenshot from Groupon, and toilet paper, for like a pack of toilet paper, people are selling it for like $85, $90, and that's just insane. Like, how is everyone going to afford that? How are people going to afford spending $80 on toilet paper? That is just so scary. And imagine, you know, what soap is going to go up to, sanitizer, paper towels. You know, I don't know. I'm a little scared. I don't think there is anyone out there that could say that they're not even a little bit worried. Like, what is this world coming to? Okay. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to go into a full rant because I swear I could talk about this whole thing for like an hour. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to bore you because you guys are hearing about it enough everywhere. So I'm going to concentrate on the road because it's raining. I probably shouldn't be filming. So we'll see you after I get my nails done. So this is what my nails look like. It's a D&D nail polish. I love the color. I'm not a huge fan of the way that she filed them. I guess if you look at them from here, they look okay, but I don't know. This one is bothering me. As you can see, it comes to like a pointy tip. I don't know. So I'm going to kind of like round it, kind of file it when I get home. I don't know why I'm this way, but after I get my nails done, I'm like looking at every little thing. Like, I don't know, I guess you expect them to be perfect after paying so much money. And then I'm super picky. But I do really, really, really love the color. I don't know if I just said, but the color is called Coral Castle. And it's kind of like a white, light pinkish color. It's really pretty. All right, guys. Well, it is the end of the day. And I'm going to get ready for bed, go wash my face while this cools down, and I'm gonna just call it a night. Today was kind of a run around and do errands, but also kind of relaxing. So I'm gonna edit this vlog, hopefully have it up by tonight, if not by tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.